Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a tool that can easily replace a hammer and speed up almost any home project. The Heimerdinger LB209 cordless nailer from Amazon. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps promote the video and motivates me to make more reviews. Let's get started. The nailer arrives in a sturdy box where everything is neatly organized in its own compartment. The gun, charger, nails, and small accessories are well secured so nothing gets damaged during shipping. The unboxing experience is pleasant, and right away you can feel that the tool is built with quality in mind. Inside the box, you get the nailer itself, the battery, the charging cable, several packs of nails, and the manual. The body feels solid and it sits comfortably in the hand. The handle has rubber inserts that prevent slipping. Overall, it looks like a full-fledged professional tool, but it's lighter and more compact. The construction is tight and well assembled with no rattling parts, and it's clear from the first look that this is not a toy. The Heimerdinger LB209 drives nails with a single pull of the trigger. No hammer, no extra effort needed. It's perfect for assembling furniture, attaching slats, home repair, wall panels, small woodworking tasks, and many everyday jobs. It works completely autonomously. Just charge the battery and you can use it anywhere, even without access to an outlet. The mechanism fires cleanly and quickly, and the nails go in straight and neatly. This saves a lot of time and energy, especially when there's a lot of work to do. The biggest advantage is full independence. No hammer, no compressor, and no cords. The tool is light, well balanced, and doesn't strain your hand. The firing is fast and consistent. Nails go in straight and there's almost no rebound. The battery lasts a long time and charges fairly quickly. The nailer genuinely speeds up any home repair, and after a few uses, you won't want to go back to a regular hammer. For very hard materials, the power might not be enough. It's still a household tool. You also need to use the correct type of nails to avoid jams. During long sessions, the body may warm up a bit, but within normal limits, and like any nailer, it makes noticeable clicking sounds, so it's definitely not a silent tool. But all of these are typical for cordless nailers. The Heimerdinger LB209 leaves a very positive impression. It truly simplifies home projects and lets you work faster and cleaner than with manual tools. The nailer is well balanced, reliable, and suitable for a wide range of tasks, from repairs to furniture assembly and creative projects. For its price on Amazon, it's one of the most interesting nailers available, perfect for hobby use or a small workshop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, leave a like, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More tool and tech reviews from Amazon are coming soon. See you in the next videos.